Hey, birthday girl.
Hey.
Are you ready for your surprise?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Daddy will be over in a minute.
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping you. But you have to pay attention to Daddy when he comes in, okay? Winnie the Pooh.
Hey, you ready, Mommy?
I'm ready.
Grace, you ready?
You ready for your surprise? Okay.
Here it comes. Look at all the new track!
No trackies!
Look at all the new trains!
Grace, look at all the new trains.
Oh.
Whoa, look at all those new trains! Look!
Who do you have?
Grace, who's this?
Spencer! Yuck!
Look! Who else do we have?
Look, Grace, we have Tidmouth Sheds!
Tim
And look who else we have. It's
Henry!
Henry!
And Gordon!
Look who's this train?
Oh, it's a fuel car.
It's Daddy.
Yeah?
Look who's this.
Oh, that's who is that? Let me see the bottom. Look, Annie and Clarabelle.
Oh!
And Murdoch.
And take Daddy.
And look, it's Mavis.
Mavis. Cool.
What do you think of all these trains?
Why do you have some more trains?
Because a friend of mine gave you all her trains. What do you say?
A nice lady. What's her name? Nadiya?
Nadiya.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Nadiya?
Thank you, Nadia.
Look at the camera and say, I love my trains.
I have my trains.
Look, Grace, we have a spinny thing, just like at the library.
Daddy,
Yeah?
there's a back one too of these.
Oh, yeah. And look, it's Trevor.
Trevor. Look at this train.
Oh, look at that train. That's a cool train,
What's
isn't it?
That looks like an express train.
An express train? What's this express train?
It's a train that gets people to work really fast.
Oh, look, and we have a water filler for Thomas.
Water filler?
Yeah.
And we have trees and all new track and tunnels.
What color bridge is that?
Red bridge.
Very
What
cool.
do you think of this?
That's like a crane.
A queen. It's yuck.
A tree.
A Christmas tree.
You're right, a Christmas tree.
Daddy.
Yes.
What else?
What else? I don't know. Let's see.
Yuck.
We have bridges and lots of track. Oh, there's one piece I'm looking for. Nope, that's not it.
Daddy.
We have some more split track.
That's a straighty piece.
And look, and this goes right into Tidmouth Sheds.
Why?
You put that there,
Our trains can go in
and
there
then
and
you put the
rest.
spinny thing there, and all the trains can go to sleep in there.
Hey,
Yeah.
maybe Mavis.
Yeah, you can put Mavis in there.
Please.
Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? We're going to need our own storage closet for trains.
Oh, you have tons of track.
There. Look what Mavis is doing. You can have a train too, Daddy.
What train can I have?
Duncan.
Duncan! You knew that was Duncan, huh?
You can do Duncan. You can push Duncan.
Oh, thank you.
And you Thomas.
Look, and he's got a plow on it. He's a snow plow, Thomas.
This is yours, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
I have Mavis. But I'm going to do a different train. Daddy.
And that's Murdoch.
Daddy, you're going to have a
Oh,
different
somebody
train.
just called.
Yeah, I know.
Yuck.
Oh, this is the breakdown train.
Okay, Grace, look at the camera and say thank you, Nadiya.
Thank you, Nadiya.